Hello, hi. What is your number one fear? Have you had light bulb moments? Are you curious? My name is Navish, and I like to share my experience of what I learned and hopefully invite you to live a self driven life. Operations lead at Hope Torch, NGO by experience, self educator by interest, entrepreneur by choice, and occasionally I dance too. Let's get started. In my previous video, I encouraged all of you to list out small steps to celebrate small wins. Hopefully, some of you must have done that. If not, I would like you to keep in mind application is key. This brings to my next topic, uh, finding value in applying oneself. The rule of thumb is action, execution, application is very important. It's the key to it. Applying oneself, the dictionary meaning means to oneself work hard in order to complete successfully. Finding value in applying oneself is finding the reason for applying your efforts based on your knowledge, belief, or practices rather than theory. I can't explain it. It's different from person to person. Uh, Even as I'm creating all this content, I have to apply these self-worth practices. I can't just preach it to you, right? I say this to myself too. How do I explain it? Do you know this lovely chap? Do you know this formula? Uh, you might have learned it in school. I think one of his law is everything has an opposite and equal reaction. If you guessed it, yeah, Newton. And Newton, he's he's a genius, as you can all say. And one of his law called law of gravity has an interesting story behind it. Some say it's because an apple fell on his head, but I think we all can just say that his observation of an apple falling and his curiosity that gave his why to formulating why everything around us is on the surface of the earth. We now say it's gravity, bro, but back then Newton was seeing the value how everything falling on the surface of the wall, on the surface of the earth, is fascinating. In fact, it is smart. Just imagine if the products or the objects that you use every day started floating in the air. The laptop, the chair, the table that you have biryani from, look at that. It would have been a mess. It would have been chaotic. Thank God for gravity and Newton. Without Newton's law, nothing would exist. That would mean we're implying that there is no force, thereby there is no movement. Finding value in applying oneself is the why. And in this case, the y is the force, right? So it's equals to gravity times mass 1 time mass 2 divided by distance square root. That is the y. Let me ask you, what is your y? Remember, you don't have to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. That means embrace your fears, embrace your light bulb moments, embrace your curiosity. Repeat after me. Say this to yourself. Excuse me. It's not there, but say this to yourself. Action. I'll write it down. Action reveals answers. Don't try to be perfect. That's what finding value in applying oneself means. Until next time, keep discovering self worth. This is your boy, Navish. Choose light, love, and peace. Thank you.